Hello, friends. Welcome to Speak Up English Academy. Today, our topic is Success Journey of Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo is one of the most famous and talented football players in the world. Born on February 5, 1985, in Madeira, Portugal, Ronaldo has become a symbol of hard work, dedication, and excellence in the sport. His journey from a small island to becoming a global icon is full of challenges, determination, and incredible achievements. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro was born in Funchal, the capital city of Madeira, a small island off the coast of Portugal. He grew up in a humble family with his parents, Maria Dolores dos Santos Aveiro and Josie Dennis Aveiro, and his three siblings. Life was not easy for the Ronaldo family. His father worked as a kitman at a local football club, and his mother was a cook and a cleaner. From a young age, Ronaldo showed a strong passion for football. He loved playing the game with his friends on the streets of Madeira. Despite the financial difficulties his family faced, they supported his dream. His mother often told him to follow his passion and work hard to achieve his goals. At the age of 8, Ronaldo joined his first football club, Andorina, where his father worked. Even at this young age, the stood out because of his speed, skills, and determination. His talent was undeniable, and it did not take long for bigger clubs to notice him. After a few years at Andorina, Ronaldo moved to National, one of the top clubs in Madeira. His performances continued to impress everyone who saw him play. At the age of 12, he made a big decision that would change his life forever. Ronaldo moved to Lisbon to join the Sporting CP Academy, one of the best youth academies in Portugal. Moving to Lisbon was not easy for Ronaldo. He was far away from his family and friends, and he had to adapt to a new city and a more competitive environment. But Ronaldo was determined to succeed. He trained hard every day, focusing on improving his skills and physical fitness. His hard work paid off and he quickly rose through the ranks at the Sporting CP. Ronaldo's talent was impossible to ignore, and at the age of 16, he made his debut for Sporting CP's first team. His performances caught the attention of many top European clubs. In 2003, at the age of 18, he signed with Manchester United, one of the biggest clubs in the world. This move marked the beginning of his rise to international fame. At Manchester United, Ronaldo faced new challenges. He had to adapt to a new country, language, and a style of football. But as always, he worked hard and never gave up. Under the guidance of legendary manager Sir Alex Ferguson, Ronaldo developed into one of the best players in the world. Ronaldo's time at Manchester United was filled with success. He won several trophies, including three English Premier League titles and UEFA Champions League. In 2008, he won his first Ballon d'Or, an award given to the best player in the world. This was a significant milestone in his career and solidified his status as a global superstar. In 2009, Ronaldo made a record breaking transfer to Real Madrid for 94 million euros, the highest transfer fee at that time. At Real Madrid, he reached new heights, breaking numerous records and winning many more trophies, including four more Ballon d'Or awards. His incredible goal scoring ability, athleticism, and work ethic made him one of the greatest players of all time. Ronaldo's time at Real Madrid was marked by extraordinary success. He became the club's all-time top scorer and won numerous La Liga and Champions League titles. His rivalry with Lionel Messi and other football legends captivated fans worldwide and pushed both players to achieve even greater heights. Ronaldo's influence extended beyond the football field. He became a global icon known for his marketability and influence. His dedication to fitness and professionalism set new standards for athletes everywhere. Despite his success, Ronaldo faced many challenges throughout his career. He dealt with injuries that threatened to sideline him, and he had to maintain his high level of performance despite the constant media scrutiny. Ronaldo also faced personal challenges, including the death of his father and the pressure of being in the public eye. In 2018, Ronaldo transferred to Juventus seeking new challenges in the Italian Serie A. He continued to perform at elite level, helping Juventus win league titles and maintaining his status as one of the best players in the world. In 2021, he made a surprising return to Manchester United, bringing his journey full circle. Ronaldo's personal life is remarkable as his professional career. He is a devoted father and has four children. Ronaldo is also known for his philanthropy, supporting various charities and causes. He has donated millions to hospitals, disaster relief efforts, and children's charities. In addition to his football career, Ronaldo has ventured into business. He has a successful line of CR7 branded products, including clothing, footwear, and fragrances. His business ventures have further solidified his status as a global brand. Cristiano Ronaldo's journey from a small island in Portugal to becoming a global football legend is a story of hard work, determination, and incredible talent. He has faced many challenges and overcome them with grace and resilience. Ronaldo's impact on football and sports in general will be remembered for generations to come. His story inspires millions around the world to dream big and work hard to achieve their goal. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and until next time, goodbye.